Here's Miss Kylie, 44 weeks, with Mommy's Garage Sale Find, a $5 baby car. Come here, honey.
I see Mama.
What are you doing?
You're gonna tip over.
Are you driving your car?
Hi to the Mama.
Yeah. This is what happened to my wheels, Daddy. She was liking it. Alright, baby. Alright, babies. Say bye-bye. Kylie.
Kylie. She's watching the doggies.
They're not even paying attention. Kylie.